What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on this 2015 Toyota Camry. I picked it off Facebook Marketplace for a very good deal, and as you guys can see, obviously it's damaged, and most of the damage this side don't look that damaged, but on the passenger side, that's where most of the damage was. So we had a little bit of snow in Maryland lately, and he told me he got the car got messed up during that time. So as you guys can see, obviously we're gonna need a new hood, new fender, a new bumper, new washer fluid reservoir, and also I'm guessing the radiator support is also bent. And apart from that, that's mostly all the damage from this car. And it has a little bit of frame damage, as you can see here. You see that got separated, so I want to try to pull that back together, get it back where it was. And also after he had the accident, they tried to open the hood and they cracked the windshield. That means we're gonna be needing a new windshield for this. So with all that being said, I'll go ahead, I'll show you guys the interior. It's still mint condition. I think this side is better. You can see the interior still clean, had just about 106,000 miles, still good mileage, so it's worth saving it. So with all that being said, there's pretty much all the damage on this car. I already have the new radiator support I'll be needing. I got a new one and I'm gonna install that today. And also I have the hood already, I have the bumper, have the headlight, and the hood I have and the fender still need to be painted. So we're gonna get that painted. Let me show you guys underneath the hood. So underneath the hood is really not more that damage. This radiator cover, this one, it got cracked up there, so we need a new one for that. You can see this side is still perfectly fine, so we can use this side in reference to fix this side, make sure everything is straight. You can see all of this, that's like the radiator and the fenders, where the fender mounts to. All that is bent, and it looks like the ABS module got a hit too, so I ordered a new one. I'm gonna flip it out because I have the there's some lights on the dash about the brakes, and also the electric power steering too. There's a light for that as well. So with all that being said, let me go ahead. I'll start by taking out all the damaged parts. I'll mostly start by taking out all of this, the front bumper, and then I'll do the fender. Then I'll take out the hood too. I already have all of this. I have new hood strut as well. So let me set up my camera and then I'll get this done, and I'll see you guys later. All right, so we got almost every damaged piece out except the hood. To take out this radiator support bracket, we got some spot welds here, and there's one on the back too, and also on this one. I'm gonna take out the whole radiator. I think I was trying to walk around it, but it looks like I have to take it out in order to, because there's some spot welds in here for this, so I have to take the radiator out. So that's pretty much it, and you can see this is the main part of this car, the main damaged part. That's gonna be this. So I gotta pull that out to see, and you can see the crack right there. So I'm gonna take out the airbag sensors now. It's not good to use an impact on it. I'm just gonna use a regular wrench and take it out. It's not good to use an impact, if not it might trigger, it might like explode them, and also this other one too on this side. So let me go ahead, I'll do that, and then I'll try to take out all the spots word and take out this damaged frame, and that should be pretty much it. All right, so the radiator is out now, and I have a clear view of this pad now. So I'm gonna change just like this one all the way down here, and you can see it's joined right here. Change just this side. This side I'm gonna leave it because it's still in perfect condition. I don't want to touch it and then I'll mess it up, because it's a lot of spot welds to take it out. All of this, that, and the bottom on the side too. So what I'll do, I'll just change only this side. That's just the top side. The bottom frame is still good, so that means we're gonna take all of this one out from this side, and we just get it put here instead of doing the whole thing. It's way easier that way. And this damage, I'll have to pull it out. I'll hook up my puller. I'll hook it on that tree or this other car standing here. I'll hook it up, pull it up, see if we can get it a little bit back where it was. So let me go ahead. I'll start by tackling all these spot welds, take out this damaged frame right here, then I'll get the other one test fitted, then pull that out, make sure it's all fine. All right, so taking reference from this one, you can see that piece is actually straight upward. So our own, see, you got the damaged piece out. You can see this one, so I gotta get it to be straight instead of, you see how it's folded in there, so it has to be on an angle straight up, not bent like that. And you can see the damage on the ABS module, so I'm gonna get that changed as well. And I think let me hook up my little frame machine and pull this out a little bit, and then I'll see how it moves. If not, we're gonna change this whole piece and we'll get this straightened up. You can see that crack there, see there. All right, we can see we have it hooked up to the tire of that car and onto the damaged piece. I'm gonna start pulling to see if it's gonna pull it out. All right, you can see just by pulling it, it closed up that line. You can see just the glue that is cracked now. So just by pulling this piece, got it close to where it was before, and you can see it's a little bit up straight now, almost like this side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll take out this wheel liner, I'll take out the wheel as well, and then hit from the back, make sure I get it well perfect, straight up, and that should be pretty much everything. All right, as you guys can see, we got it put up. That is welded and it lines up well, lines up on this side too. And that is all welded. I just have to spray some paint on it to prevent any rust in the future. So it's looking good so far. After I'm done with this, I'll put the radiator back, get the washer bottle installed as well, and get every other piece. Take out our hood, put the other hood, and see how it looks like. All right, so I got my Rust-Oleum. That's what I'm gonna spray on that. This prevents rust way better. I mean, it's literally mean Rust-Oleum. All right, so I got two new hood hinges. Most of the time, all the time, not even most of the time, if you have a hood damage, always change the hinges. If not, you're gonna have a very hard time trying to line the hood and the fender and all of that. So always change the hood hinges each time there's an accident and the hood was damaged. So let's go ahead. I'll install this too, and we'll get the hood installed, and we'll try to line the fender up. And I don't think I'll be installed it with the bumper today though. All right, guys, we're finally done with the Camry now. Everything is repaired. We just have to put all the body parts that are missing from it. I got the ABS modules to change that. There's a damaged one right here, and with that, after I changed it, the light, I had the steering wheel light on. That's for the electronic power steering, and also the ABS light was on and traction control. After I changed that, all the lights went away, and the dash looks clear now. And we got a new washer bottle installed, washer reservoir bottle, whatever you want to call it. We got one installed, and I have the headlight too. The headlights here, and all the other parts are right here. I have the bumper, the fender, and the hood. Did the paint job by myself. Turned out to be very good. You can see, yeah, the bumper looking really good and clean, and the fender clean as well. The hood came out to be also nice as well. I'm gonna buff after this buff, and then try to shine it a little bit better, because it has like some little dead marks on it. So with all that being said, let me go ahead. I'll set my camera, start by installing the fender. After that, I'll install the bumper, and then I'll install the hood. Let's see how it goes.
女孩子 shock so。
All right, guys, so I'm finally done with the Camry. She looks good. Let me show you guys the damaged side. You can see it looking from this side. This is the side that was damaged. We got a new hood, new bumper, a new fender put up, and a new headlight as well. And you can see everything looks good, match up perfectly. All the body gaps, you can see that looking good. Body gap on this side, and also the bumper pad too. And also this side, let me show you guys the body guard. Has a very good fitment, has a little bit of scratches there, but I'm gonna leave that like that. And the only thing that I have left for this car is gonna be the turn signal. I did the paint job by myself, came out to be really good. You can see it's looking clean and nice, even the bumper, good paint job right there. And let me show you guys the interior. You can see the interior, we got it cleaned up and it's looking really clean now, ready to go for the next person. And the back seat, I think that is locked. And the back seat, everything is cleaned up now. So, and the engine bay, I'll show you guys where it was damaged. And underneath the hood, this is the side that was damaged. We got that fixed up, got a new ABS sensor on that, or module on that. And the wiring, I still have to figure out some wiring here, because that's for the fog light and the turn signal. So I still have to figure that out. And this side too, so I took this out so I can order a new one for that side. So I just ordered a new one. It's gonna come out, install that, and that should be literally everything about this car. And with all that being said, thank you all for watching the channel. Stay subscribed because I have more video coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.